Children, let us take few more questions from NCRT. We are discussing trigonometry, and I have the question number 1 from 8.3 exercise of NCRT. See, you have first question is sine 18 degree. You have to evaluate it. This is cos 72 degree. So it's very easy to simplify. You do one thing here. Put this is sine, and instead of 18 degree you can write here 90 minus 72. Children, you know 90 minus 72 is 18, so I can write 90 minus 72 instead of 18, and here we have cos 72. If you simplify it further, you know sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So we get here cos 72 over cos 72 degree. So it cancels out with this, and the answer is 1. So you can simplify this question on the similar ground. Question number 2, you can simplify on the similar ground. I am taking your now question number 3rd. Now in question number 3rd you have cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree. So children, this is again a very easy question. You take it like this. This is cos 18. Here again you can do one thing. Sine, instead of 42 you can write here 90 minus 48. So if you simplify it further, you get cos 48 degree minus sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So you get 48. So they cancel out. Answer comes out to be 0. In these two questions, I have used this identity, that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. In both, I have used this identity, this formula. We have gone through that from where we get these complementary angles. Now I'm coming to the question number 2nd. Now children, this question number 4, you can simplify question number 4 on the similar ground. Now I'm coming to your question number 2nd. Now he says that prove this is equal to 1. So I have a question here. This is tan 48, tan 23, tan 42 and tan 67. So you have to take the left hand side of this first part, right? Now you can do one thing here, children. This is tan 48. So put it as such, tan 48. And here it again put it as such. This is tan 23. We have to change these two. Instead of this 42 degree, I can write here 90 minus 48. You know better, 90 minus 48 is 42. And here also I can write it like this, 90 minus 23. So children, if you simplify it further, you get tan 48, and here you get tan 23. You know tan 90 minus theta. Here I am using the tan 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta. So we get cot 48. Here again we get into cot 23 degree. Now you know this is tan 48. This is tan 23, and cot theta is reciprocal of tan. So we get here tan 1 upon tan 48, and here we get 1 over tan 23. Children, if you cancel this with this, you cancel this with this, we get nothing but 1, and that is equal to right hand side. So this is your question number 1. You can simplify question number 2 on the similar ground. I have used here this identity, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. This is first identity I have used. Second, cot theta, tan theta is reciprocal of cot theta. So tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. So I have used these two relations. to simplify these two questions. So I hope you have understood these two questions. So you can simplify this question, this and this on your own to clarify this topic. Okay.